Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're cooking peanut butter cookies. Okay, peanut butter cookies. Today's recipe comes out of Cook's Illustrated magazine. I really like this magazine. Because I'm not a baker, when I bake I tend to need actually a recipe. But what Cook's Illustrated has done is, for guys like me who just like keep things simple in their head, they've actually kind of laid out the proportions. 2 parts peanut butter, 3 parts flour, 1 part butter. Actually a bit less. And in case you're wondering, the sugar is somewhere between this amount and this amount, depending on what you like in your cookies. You want it really sweet or not. So we're going to be following this. Because this is a recipe, I will type up the proportions in the description. Just keep in mind, what I'm making today is a test batch, and so it's going to be a bit smaller than the recipe. Alright, first thing we do, we take our 1 portion butter, melted, 2 portions peanut butter, 3 portions, oops, that's not flour, this is sugar, about the same amount of sugar, and then 3 portions of flour. And we mix that together in a bowl with a spoonful of honey, a little bit of vanilla, and some sea salt. Okay, flour, sugar, and a bit of salt. Now we need peanut butter. Here it is. Oh, gooey. Alright, here we go. Just a little bit of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. And we've got an egg. So we're going to mix this egg with a little bit of honey and vanilla and the melted butter. Ooh, I'm getting all sticky here. Funny thing about this honey, if you don't add honey, these cookies will be sweet enough, but I think actually the honey is the taste that you're going to expect in the cookies. Alright, for some reason when I mix this, it always ends up being a little bit too hard, too dry, so I add just a splash of water. Get it this kind of doughy, but not very runny at all consistency. Okay, so we're going to just take this and form it with our hands or a spoon into a little ball on top of some parchment paper. Okay, so here we go, and you can see this is a very small batch. It's because I'm testing out some raisin and chocolate chip varieties. You don't have to do this. Normal cookies like this wouldn't have raisins or chocolate chips. These are just peanut butter cookies, right? It's supposed to taste like peanut butter, salt, sugar. But we're trying this out today. Alright, so once you've got your doughy balls kind of smushed down into these little pancakes, we're just going to stick this into the middle of a preheated 350 degree oven. Okay, when these come out of the oven, they look like this. Chocolate, raisin. Let's give this a shot. This takes about 10 minutes, maybe 12 if you have large cookies, in a 350 degree oven. Oh, it's good. I'll just take that back. So this should be a little bit soft. In the middle, a little bit moist. A lot of fat in here. Not that much moisture. Sugary, obviously, but not too much. A little splash of vanilla and honey. This is really good. Alright, I hope you like this. I hope you like the cookies once you make them and when you're eating them. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Click the subscribe button if you're a new subscriber. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of cookie, some other type, what you think about it in general. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.
Ah, is it
Wow,
hot?
they're pretty.
Is it hot?
It's not hot. We got raisin and chocolate chip.
Ah.
Which one do you want? Have one now, one later.
This one.
Okay.
Cute.